Hey folks, alright, so as you know I'm fixing this canoe, and in this next little clip I'm going to show a bottom of the hull. So I was told that the bottom side is all glassed, but I appear to find an area that's not been fiberglass, no resin or fiberglass, just paint. So it's going to simplify the decision about what to do here, right? It's an older canoe. It just needs a little TLC. And if this area is not glassed, which you'll see in just a moment on the video, then we'll wind up sanding it down and painting it with some Marine Topside paint. If in fact it is glassed, then the glass has eroded to the point where it's now into wood, which is not a good combination. So take a look at the video and tell me what you think. Alright, so here's the bottom side of the boat, and this you can see the glass. I don't know if it's showing up in the video, but that's, you can see the glass. Then down here it sounds the same, but this is not glass. See if you can see this. This is wood that my finger can go right through. As a matter of fact, I just took a chunk of wood off. So this does not appear to be glass. Like, this is not glass either. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's wood fibers, and I'm expecting that there's other pieces. And it looks like the glass is here and then stops, and then the rest of the side of the boat is not glass. That's what it looks like, because like I said, this entire ridge here is not glassed. Anyway, and there you have it. That's basically what the boat looks like on the outside, on the hull part specifically. So what would you do? Would you just sand it down and paint it, or would you try to put some type of epoxy or resin on it, or re-glass it? What would be your recommendation? And hey, I'm new at this, so any recommendations are greatly appreciated. Thanks much.